In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro MSVCP110 dll was not found error. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, we need to identify our system info or system information. So how we can identify that? Please navigate here at the button search bar and type for info. So we need to identify first our system type before we proceed on the downloading and the installation of our missing program, which is the Visual C++. Okay, so by that, you need to click on this open under the best matched here, and there you can see the system information, where here you need to locate for system type. So once you have identified the system type, mostly Windows 11 has x64 based PC. But in case you have a different system type, okay, at least you know. So you once you have known your system type, you need to close this window and bring up your Google Chrome browser. So as what I have mentioned earlier, the missing program or application is the Microsoft Visual C++. That's why you have faced an error. So here, please type for Visual C++ Redistributable Runtime and click on the Enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'll be able to see a list of results. So make sure that you have proceeded to this result under Microsoft.com, an official website for it. Please click on this link and eventually you'll be navigated to a new page where you can download this Microsoft Visual C++. Okay, so here you need to scroll down and locate for the table where you can download this application or program. So you can see there a table and there you can see architecture which contains the system type or the architecture that is compatible to your system, the link aligning to it and the notes. Okay, so by that you need to proceed with x64 if you have x64 in your system type. Okay, so x86 if you have x86 and ARM64 if you have ARM64. Okay, so that is the importance of knowing the system type. That's why I'm showing you how to know the system type so that you can proceed here to the architecture and select the proper architecture or the proper program or software that is compatible to your system type. So please click on it. In my case, I have already downloaded and installed this one, Microsoft Visual C++. In fact, I have here installed in my PC. That's why I'm not facing an error. But if you do, okay, that's why you haven't installed it yet, and that's why we are going to install that. So in your case, you have to click on this download. You need to download this one. Okay, please wait until it will be downloaded and then install it in your PC. Follow the command there, just double tap, and then you would be able to install that one. And then follow the command, and there you would be able to install this application or program. Okay, in that way, you'll be able to fix the problem. So that's it. Hopefully, those steps that help you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.